Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar yen, I still think this looks like a wave 5. It definitely looks like 5 waves up. We are getting pretty close to that 155 area, 156 area, which has been my target for a very long time. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we're getting very close to that 100% Fibonacci extension, which for me is the next area of resistance. Now, whether or not it ends a trend here or not, we're going to have to observe and see. If it does something like this, and I would definitely say that is going to end the trend. But there's really nothing stopping it from potentially going up to a higher Fibonacci level, even though I think this 155, 156 area is likely to hold. So going down to the daily time frame, definitely don't see any reason to do anything but look for longs. I mean, we're still not at that fib level. I mean, if it does make a pullback, that would be great news for us because then we could go long again. And then if it goes up, bounces off a fib level, breaks structure, we can stop looking for longs and we can start looking for shorts. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I think probably at this point it's probably more likely it's just going to keep on drifting up. It's probably not going to give us much of a pullback until after it hits this level. Then when it hits that level, I would be looking for that 3, 4, 5 shape. I'd be looking for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I would be looking for a break of structure to the downside. And if that happens, that's going to be a great opportunity, I believe, to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, it's probably more likely that it is just going to keep on drifting up. It's probably not really going to give us too much of a pullback between now and the time it hits this fib level. Then, and once it gets there, I think it probably will make like a wave 4, probably go back up, make a wave 5. Then, once that is over, if it continues to respect this level, which is a big if, there's really nothing stopping it from going beyond that level. But if it does respect that level, go down and break structure, then that's what's going to turn me into a seller. Until I see this picture right here, though, I am definitely looking for longs at the end of any pullback I see for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and gives you access to my swing trade setups at fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.